Would you like to be like this guy? Or even this guy?
Why are you eating dirt?
I don't have the Whizz Bizzy mini bike.
Well, why not? It's only 3 easy payments of only $1,800 with its carbon fiber body, emergency brake, and extended seat. That's an awesome deal.
Well, I got a sister. She worth about 100 cents. How do I get it?
Just call this easy to remember number at the bottom of your screen.
Shut up, dog! Got my sister pregnant.
I'm only 11.
Of course not. You want to be like this guy.
I love my motorcycles, but there's nothing like the Whizz Bizzy mini bike. Without the Whizz Bizzy mini bike, you don't have the power to win. And if you don't have the power to win, you lose!
And then there's this other guy.
Hi, I'm a tough Harley biker, and nothing makes me look and feel tougher than the Whizz Bizzy mini bike.
Only 3 easy payments of $1,800.
Now that I got the Whizz Bizzy mini bike, I get all the ladies. Now that I have my Whizz Bizzy mini bike, I can truly climb virtually anywhere and descend literally everywhere.
I think I need to get me one of them there mini bikes.
Without the Whizz Bizzy mini bike, you don't have the power to win. And without the power to win, you have the power to lose.
Truly.
Oh yeah, I can truly climb literally or virtually anywhere and descend literally everywhere.
Yeah, you're not gonna be able to do that.
Enter now!